Okay, now we have another interesting question type in academic reading part 3, and that is sentence completion or summary completion with a box. Summary completion with a box means you will have to find a word from the passage, then you will find a synonym of that word from the box, and the answer is going to be A, B, C, D. Okay? For example, questions 31 to 34. Complete the summary of paragraph 3. All right. They've mentioned using the list of words. Summary of paragraph 3 using the list of words. So that is the summary of paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Got it? It means now we know the location. Summary of paragraph 3 using the list of words. Okay. Camera art. Fine. In the early days of photography, I'm reading question number 31. Are you there? Good. In the early days of photography, opinions on its future were dash. Now underline the word opinions. For opinions, they might use the word views. So how were the views? Views were something, opinions were something. Now let's go back. I'm reading third paragraph. From the maze of conflicting statements and heated articles on the subject, three main positions about the potential of camera art emerged. From the maze of conflicting statements, underline conflicting statements and come back. Opinions, that is statements. Find a word for conflicting. From A, B, C, D, find a word for conflicting. A is inventive, B is similar, C is beneficial, D is next, E is mixed. Conflicting and mixed, they are synonyms. So the answer of question number 31 is E. You will not write mixed, you will write E. Got it? Mixed and conflicting. Okay, after that they say, a large number of artists and ordinary people saw photographs as dash to painting. As dash to painting means comparison with painting. They saw it as dash to painting. Come back. The simplest entertained. Found it? Yes. Third paragraph, fourth line. The simplest entertained by many painters and a section of public was that photographs should not be considered art. When you are comparing photographs with art and you are saying photographs should not be considered art, means they are inferior. Now come back. Photographs should not be considered art. So they say a large number of artists and ordinary people saw photographs as photographs should not be considered art, means photographs as inferior. Okay? Photographs should not be considered art means photographs are inferior. You know, in Urdu you say photographs को art का दर्जा नहीं देना चाहिए, means उससे बदतर है, उससे कमतर है, like that. Okay? So the answer is G for 32. You will not write the word, you will write G. Okay, भाई बुत नहीं बनना. It's just like हिलना भी है ये. Good. Don't worry, reading हो जाएगी. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. Okay, let's go on. Question number 33. Another popular view was that photographs could have a role to play in the art world, despite the photographer being less dash. Photographer less dash. Something related to photographer. Come back. Photographer. Just look for the word photographer. Okay, the next page. All right, let's read it from there. The second widely held view shared by painters, some photographers. Found it? Now we read this one. Some photographers and some critics was that Photographs would be useful to art but should not be considered equal in creativeness to drawing and painting. Should not be equal in creativeness to drawing and painting. Now keep this in mind. Should not be considered equal means photographs should not be considered equal in creativeness to drawing and painting. Should not be. Less creativeness. Another word for creativeness, inventive. Exactly. So should not be, for should not be they use the word less. And for creativeness they use the word inventive. I like your creative behavior. I like your inventive behavior. So 33 answer is A. Finally, question number 34. Finally, a smaller number of people suspected that the impact of photography on art and society could be. Impact of photography on art and society could be. Now let's go back. Impact of photography on art and society. Same paragraph. Absolutely. So you can just see impact. All right, they use the word positive influence. I'm reading it from the beginning. Let's go. A fair number of individuals. Found it? Let's read from there. A fair number of individuals realized that camera images were or could be as significant as handmade works of art. Right? Now, what are they saying? Camera images were or could be as significant as handwriting. As significant means as beneficial as handmade works of art, that they might have a positive influence on the arts and on culture in general. Now come back. Not similar, but beneficial. Finally, a smaller number of people suspected that the impact of photography on art and society could be beneficial. Again, come back. A fair number of individuals, fair number means smaller number. A fair number of individuals realized that camera images were or could be as significant as handmade works. As significant means beneficial. Okay? All right. So for question number 34, answer is C. Good.